Okay, so I basically made a program that would identify the smallest integer among the five integers that whatever the user inputs. So with a I started with a concept that if the after the we ask the user to input five numbers, and those five numbers the program would identify what is the smallest number among that five inputs. So I started with a scanner. So it inputs a java.util scanner, and the file name is catch your final answer exam. Doesn't matter. So put a scanner object and input some integers, variables, and string choice. Talk about later. And let's skip this one. So the this one, as you can see, I made it's shorter because I made a method underneath the program. There you go. This is the method that will basically go right up here. As for numbers, that's the method name. I call it as for numbers. So it basically says that enter five numbers from 1 to 10. It has a condition or a disclaimer right here. Repeated numbers or two digit numbers doesn't count. So after that, this is another method that basically says uh, enter first number. So now the program will ask the user to input a a first number, first integer. So I put a scanner right here so that the user could input some numbers. And as for here, another method basically says enter second number. Let me just check. Enter second number. There you go. So under the scanner and another method asks the user to put third number, the fourth number, and the fifth number. And here we can see if else statement. So it says here if, and the condition, if num1 is less than num2 and num1 is less than num3, num3 3 3, and num1 is less than num4 and num1 is less than num5, it will print the smallest number among num 1 2 3 4 5 is num1. That's basically the condition. And so as here we got condition, and it will print whatever the condition says, and it will print the smallest number is num2, and same as the third, fourth, fifth, else if. And after that, after the program prints those, it will print else to send that out. Some numbers are repeated. If else they put the same number in num1, num2, or maybe in num3, num4, they put a repeated number, the same as the other. So, because we put repeated numbers, two-digit numbers doesn't count. That's the disclaimer. That's the condition. So it would print this, but if the user doesn't print and the program, it will basically print this one. And it will basically print those. So after that, the program will print. Do you wish to try one more time? Yes or no? So so what I did here is I put a do while loop into the program so that whether the user would like to repeat one more time or give it a shot one more time, the the program will go back and ask the user for inputs. And then I use this method to this equals ignore case so that if the user will put a upper or lower case, it doesn't matter because we put this method that basically ignore the upper and the lower case. So if he puts yes with the uppercase or with the lowercase, it would go back to the program right away if he puts yes. But if the user puts no, whether it's in uppercase or lowercase, the program will stop. And that's basically all. A simple program that identifies the smallest among the five numbers. Thank you. Stop recording. Having a hard time. The record will be saved Elijah Hill Kachos Drive.